What's up, hiking friends? It's Micey. You guys, my turtle home dreams are coming true. I found the thing that is gonna turn my car into a camper, a turtle home. I'm buying myself a roof nest. I will link to the company in the description below, but this is going to change everything. I am going to be able to go wherever I want and have a home to stay in, whether I stay in a campground or I stay at a trailhead on the Appalachian Trail. I'm finally going to be able to live the wandering lifestyle the way I've wanted to live it for like 10 years. Almost. Ever since I decided to try living outside in 2010, I have just wanted to be able to live outside almost full time. And this is the solution. I am super excited. I can't even begin to tell you how excited I am. In order to save money on shipping, I'm thinking that my 3-week break from travel nursing is now going to be spent on an epic road trip to Boulder, Colorado, where the company has its warehouse. And so yeah, I mean, this could change my entire 3-week break. The adventure continues. And isn't that what adventure is for? The unexpected. That's what makes adventure fun. Right, okay. Stay tuned for one of the biggest adventures yet. I'm starting to think I should rename my channel.